So today guys, I will be making it a very nice detox tea, and here I have a piece of ginger, lemongrass, passion fruit, some lime leaf, and half of a yellow lemon. And this is what the teapot that I'll be using. And the first thing I'm going to do is add my lime leaves. So with my lemongrass, I'm just going to be doing it like this. Like basically, I'm wheeling it off so you can get the flavor out of it more. And that will be just the amount according to your own preference. Some people just put it in like that, but I want the flavor to be bursting out. So I break this bit and then I just put it in there. So now I'll just be scraping my passion fruit in the tea when it's finished. And then my lemon, I'll be squeezing my lemon and I'll be just adding it to the pot. It doesn't matter if the seeds go in because you'll be straining this later. So now with the ginger, we're going to be grating the ginger. So now I'll be adding the ginger to the rest of the ingredients in my litter, and I'll be adding some water. And now it's time